My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Swift Monza. This vehicle has done 22,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our stove, sink, oven and fridge. Moving on to our first of two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 3 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access emergency assistance, mobile apps, Full Pass Connect, Android CarPlay, voice control and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.